If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If you have additional brush sets you have created or purchased from a third-party source, you can load them into your brush library for easy access. To do this, click the Brush Preset Picker pop-up menu and then click the Brush Options button in the upper right corner of the pop-up menu that appears to display a drop-down menu of choices. Choose the Load Brushes command from the drop-down menu to open a Load dialog box. Then use the dialog box to navigate to your brush set, which has a .abr file extension, and select the brush set by clicking the brush set icon. Then click the Load button within the dialog box to load the selected brush set. After doing that, the selected brush set will then be accessible within the Brush Preset Picker. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.